fish almost came right up and grabbed this. Wow. Ooh, fish. Oh yeah. He's taking me way under. Oh man, look at this. They are, I knew they'd be over here. Oh man, look at this. We got them on my favorite, my bomber crankbait. Shallow crankbait, craw color. Love that, my favorite crankbait. Look at this fish. Beautiful. He came right up. Wow, look at his tail. He's got like a yellow mark on his tail. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at that. All right, it is another windy day out today. I don't know if you guys actually saw me reel that fish in, because as you guys can see right here in front of me, I'm on a bridge, and this bridge runs across this pond here. I've taken you guys over here before, but I haven't really caught anything, so I really didn't make a good video out of it. But as you guys can see right in front of me, there's a bridge here, so I'm very short. Okay, I'm only 5'3", so like when I go right up to the thing, I have to rest my GoPro right on top as I'm casting parallel to this bridge. And this wind, this big strong wind, this really strong wind that we got going, guys, it's been going on for a week straight now. It's ending up down here. This is where all the wind is, and it's pushing, and it's pushing all this debris and everything up against the bridge, and this is where the wind is ending up. That's where you want to fish. That's where you want to fish. 9 times out of 10, you're going to pull some fish out. They're all stacked up in here. This is why I caught them last time, and they're such a great fight. They are so jacked up in here. These fish are just like, you guys saw that fish. I mean, even reeling him in, I mean, it's just, he wasn't that big of a fish, but he felt like a 5-pounder trying to reel him in. Then you got to pull him up over this bridge. It's a lot of fun, and I enjoy it. And like I said, today we're just using this crankbait, the shallow diving crankbait by Bomber, my favorite crankbait. And it's like a red craw color, beautiful orange and red. Love this, my favorite one. I had to bend the hooks back. As you guys can see, he bent that hook. I'm gonna have to bend that back again. So anyway, guys, so it's a beautiful day here. Got lots of wind, and but the sun is shining. The rain stopped for a day. Actually, we're supposed to get a couple days of good weather. It's gonna be 65 today. I think right now it's only about 60. When there's no wind, it's beautiful, but when that wind kicks up, it is cold. So much fun. It is so much fun trying to pull them in. Right there, we got one. Got one. Nice. We got one. Oh yeah. He feels really good, but he could be small because I'm fighting against this current here. It's not really current. Oh. Oh. Thanks. Look at this, you guys. I told you. Oh my gosh. They are fighting. They fight so, it is so much fun trying to fight these fish when the wind's blowing straight at me, and it's pushing the water all the way down here to the bridge, and then you got to pull them up. I mean, they're just fighting against the current that's being, oh my God, it is so much fun. I can't, all of this. It's hard, I know, with my arms and the wind and wow, you should see these little fish, as you guys can see down here. They keep coming up to it, and I see, and they try to get it in their mouth. It's just too big. Then the big fish come, and it's on. It's awesome. Thing. There's one. Oh, got him. They saw him come right up for it. Oh my gosh. He swiped right at it. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Another beauty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous fish, man. Oh, loving this. I'm loving it. Yeah. There he goes. Oh, you guys can see that fish. He got it right about here. right here where my lures, I saw him come right up out of the water, swiped at it. There's one. Holy! Oh God, that was a big one. Oh, he got off. That was a good one there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was a good one. That was a good one. There was our good one, guys. I mean, he wasn't huge, but he was the biggest one today. Got one. Got one. Oh, golly. Golly, yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God, fish after fish. Nice. In the water he goes. Wow. Best we could do this. Just keep my back to the wind. Keep pulling. Reel in. Keep it taut. All right, we're good. Back in business. See if we can get on over here. The wind is still ending up down here, so they might be stacked up on the side over here too, hopefully. Whoa. Alright guys, so we're over here, a little less wind, so maybe you can hear me a little bit, but so today I'm just walking this bank at this park, and I'm just using that Hellbent rod, the one that the tip broke, that the fish broke the tip off my last video, but I got the tip fixed, and I'm using that digital chip reel, the Metanium MG DC7. It's a 7:0 to 1 gear ratio, and I got 12-pound low vis green mono on here. It's my favorite all-around setup. And I just got this bomber crankbait. I told you guys, my favorite crankbait, one of my favorites. It's cheap, but you definitely have to replace the hooks on them. The hooks aren't very good. Look, as you can see, they're bending out. I gotta bend this one back, but do what I can. But anyway, that's all we're using today, guys. I brought my another rod just in case, but I'm just gonna stick with this because last time I was here, they were killing the red lipless crankbait that I got in my Lucky Tackle box, and I ended up losing it in a tree right down there by the bridge. So the only red lures I have left are these crankbaits with the shallow diver ones, and I have a couple of deep divers as well, but so I wanted to use the same color, and it turns out they were killing it. So it was good that I stuck with that color and everything, and so that's all we're doing today. Right now I'm just casting parallel to the banks, and then when I get done casting parallel, I'll make my fan casts out in the middle, and then I move on to my next spot. I'm calling it. I have to head back anyway. I got things I have to do today. Hope you guys can still hear me. Bridge, we caught tons of them. The wind ended up down there, and that's where we were catching them. We were catching them on this bomber, and I was having one heck of a day. I'll tell you, it was really obviously very windy, but the rain kind of stopped. You know, I'm supposed to stop for a couple days at least, so I was able to. I had to get out here and get on some fish, especially for you guys, but for me most of all, because definitely needed it. Definitely a lot of fun, guys. It's always fun bringing you guys along, especially on days like today where I'm having so much fun. It's just so exhilarating being out here in the wind and just having really one heck of a time. I mean, we really did. We got out some really nice fish, you guys. I really enjoyed it. Thanks, guys, for joining me once again in another crazy video, another crazy adventure. Always fun bringing you guys along. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. As always, leave me a comment. I always love talking to you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, I'll catch you guys later.